Hi friend, today we check text before and after functions in MS Excel how to use. Here I have names and email IDs. I would like to extract here before the art character using the text before function equals to text before, select the text, comma, open double quote, art character, close the double quote, close the bracket. Here hot character is the delimiter for us. Hit enter, then copy down, and text after is equals to text after. Select the text, comma, open double quote, hot character, close double quote, close bracket, hit enter. You'll get google.com and copy paste down to get all the domain names. So this is how you can extract before and after any delimiter. Thank you very much.